point-of-sales gift and loyalty rewards cards. Regardless if your company consists of 1 or 1,000 stores, or if you're a doctor or an attorney, or possibly you're in the service industry, such as a hairdresser or barber, transportation or equipment rental, for that matter, any type of business. Klix will provide all the necessary tools you will need to run your business like those much larger companies. Even if you don't have a store, you can still apply these tools and increase your sales or business volume. Within Klix, there are 2 ways for you to increase your sales volume. The first is through the use of gift cards. These cards resemble your typical credit card, and just like a credit card, each one has an individual identification number. You can obtain these cards from Klix, which could be made with your company logo on the face of the cards, or they may be acquired from another source. If a customer desires to give your services as a gift to a family member, friend, or coworker, or if there is some uncertainty as to what product would best suit the recipient, then a gift card from your establishment would undoubtedly be the perfect fit. It allows your customer to always give the perfect gift because the recipient of the card will afterwards come into your business and purchase what they desire utilizing the gift card. To activate this function, simply enter the company module, then point of sales, then enter the amount of years the card will remain valid after its initial activation. Klix makes it so easy for you to administer the sales and remaining balances of your gift cards, as well as the registration and accounting of these cards. To make the sale of a gift card from point of sales, click on the gift card button. Then scan the card's barcode, or you can enter it manually. Now enter the amount of credit the customer wishes to apply to the gift card. Your next step will be to charge the customer. There you go, you're all done. When a customer wishes to utilize a gift card to pay for a purchase, you will proceed as you normally would with any other sale. Once on the payment screen, select the Pay with Gift Card option. The system will request the gift card's number, which will be used to validate the balance of credit remaining on the gift card. Now enter the amount of the purchase the customer wants to apply to the gift card. If there is a difference from the total due and the amount of credit remaining on the gift card, simply select the mode of payment that will be used to pay the difference and complete the transaction. The second tool which Klix can provide to increase your sales are loyalty reward cards. Loyalty reward cards are a way large companies entice their customers to return to their establishments and make additional purchases. These cards operate much like the frequent flyer miles utilized by most major airlines. When a purchase is made, a pre-established percentage of the purchases will be reserved to be utilized to pay for future purchases. Or they can continue to make additional purchases, which will cause the amount of the funds on the reward card to continue to accumulate. To activate this function from the point of sales, you must enter the company's administrative module. Then click on Company, now on Point of Sales. From this menu, select the Activate Loyalty Reward Card option. You will now need to select and enter the percentage amount you want to accumulate from each purchase made by a customer. The end of your fiscal year will be by default the expiration date for all your loyalty reward cards, although this date can be easily modified to suit your convenience. To motivate your customers to return to your establishment, we must remember to inform them of the fact that there is an expiration date assigned to the card, and any remaining balance on the card will be forfeited at the point of expiration. If you happen to have multiple locations, the reward cards can be used by your customers at any of your locations. And don't be concerned if a customer happens to have other options to purchase the same products elsewhere. You too have the option to fly another airline when you travel, but you continue to use the same one, basically for the free frequent flyer miles, just as your customer will make the purchases from your establishment so as to continue accumulating the funds on their loyalty reward card.